Okay, to get you involved in Brightspace, we're going to have to do a couple steps. First of all, first you need to sign in as if you were using your Red Deer Public School account. So I'm using a sample student here, Josephine, who's from Germany. All right, so then I'm going to use her, type in her password, and I don't want you seeing it. Then you're going to use the link I provided you, the Red Deer Public Brightspace, and you're going to log in via G Suite. And you should log in automatically. If you get this not authorized message, just hit the home button here. Let's see if I do that. There you go. So, or hit the Red Deer Public Schools address up there. And then you're going to go into the International Student Winter Orientation class. And from there, you're going to have all the units or chapters or organizing bits of material, whatever you want to call it. What I like to do is I like to go to content, and that brings it nice in a linear fashion. There's a welcome unit, a prior departure unit, arrival, how to senior know home, what to expect at school, etc., etc. And you basically go into each unit and launch the unit. There's some information there, and then you just simply go on to the next page like that. All right. Well, looks like I have a technical difficulty there that I'm going to fix. But basically, that's all you have to do. You go into each bit of content, launch the unit. I have a little video explaining what goes on. And after that, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I think you're going to be just fine.